I see that people are interested in buying refurbished phones from Ovantica website, but you might have some doubts about the website and phone quality, what will be the after sale service. So I will answer all those questions, and this is not a sponsored video. You can check my previous videos about unboxing of Sony Xperia phones from this website. So you don't need to watch this video fully, because I will answer the most important question in the starting only. And the question is, if you have 15,000 rupees and you want to buy a refurbished phone to use it as your main phone daily, I suggest you should not buy from any refurbished website, any refurbished phone. Instead, you should go for a new phone from brands like Redmi or Motorola or any other brand you like that comes in your budget, because you will face less problems in new phone and you will have 1 year warranty if you have any problem in the phone. But when it comes to refurbished phones, you will always face slight problems and they will become big with the time. But people who want to buy refurbished phones to use it as their secondary phones, then you can think of buying from refurbished phones. Ovantica is a Chennai based company that sells and buys phones. They mostly have iPhones, Sony Xperia phones, Google Pixel phones and Samsung. When it comes to the condition of devices, they have 4 categories. First one is superb condition, the best condition you can get, but the price will be higher. And the second one is good, which means you might have little bit of scratches like that, but you don't find any problems in the device. And the last one is fair condition. You can see the scratches on the back or the display, but it is usable. And the last condition is problematic. They might have camera problems or Wi-Fi problems or display problems, like display glass cracked, like those things, and you don't get any warranty on this. You will get only 7 days replacement. But for all the devices like a superb, good, fair, you will get a 6 months warranty and 7 days replacement if they are Android. If you buy iPhone, you will get 1 year warranty for iPhone, and replacement is same, 7 days replacement. So what do you get inside the box? You get the phone and the charging cable and SIM ejecting pin with a warranty card. That's about it, nothing more. If you want a adapter, you will have to spend 200 or 300 rupees more, but you don't need that adapter. That is generic one, not the original adapter that comes in the box with that phone. So you don't need that. Now if you like a phone from their website and you want to buy that, but first you should ask the pictures of the product. They will send you the photos in WhatsApp. Then you can check the condition of the device and you can confirm your order from there. They will have toll-free number and WhatsApp numbers. You can check in their website. One good thing about this website is they have cash on delivery option, and they don't charge any extra amount if you choose cash on delivery, because most of the refurbished websites charge this. If you are buying a 10,000 rupees phone, they will charge you 10,000 rupees and extra delivery charges with packaging charges like 200 to 500 rupees. But in this website, if you buy a phone for 10,000 rupees, they will charge you 200 rupees to confirm the order, and when you receive the phone, you just have to pay the remaining amount. Like if you take example of 10,000 rupees, you have to pay only 9,800 rupees, and the packaging charge is only 59 rupees. This thing is good when compared to other refurbished websites, and you will get your phone delivered in 3 to 4 days. And one more thing is, I like their box quality and packaging, because the phones didn't get damaged during the delivery process. Their box are strong and the packaging is good. You can check my previous videos. And one more good thing about the phones is the battery quality is good, because in refurbished websites you will find a replaced battery, but all the products I received, they are original battery and the backup is good. I ordered like 3 or 4 phones from them. The battery quality is always good. I'm talking about Sony Xperia phones. You don't have any problems while charging this. The only problem I have faced in this website is, if you get any problem in your device, if your device is under warranty, Ovantica offers a free drop and pickup, so you don't need to pay any more money for repairing your phone. That's a good thing, unlike other websites. They will receive the device in 3 to 4 days, but it will take 15 to 30 days for refund or replacement. I got my replacement, but it took very long time and I have to remind them every day. They are not rude, but they don't respond to your messages. I say that's the only bad thing. You can check my previous video, Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. It got pink lines. They kind of replaced it, but it took a long time. That's the only problem you might face. So now you can decide yourself whether to buy a refurbished phone from this website or not. If you ask me, this is a decent website. Even they took time, I got my replacement. But most of the websites don't even care.